a pioneering company in the pharmaceutical field, armed with a mission to serve the healthcare needs of Filipinos. An organization with unwavering commitment to quality. The manufacturer of choice of many companies in the healthcare field. A company trusted by the medical profession. These are the qualities that define Hizon Laboratories Incorporated. A wholly Filipino-owned company that has evolved to become one of the largest pharmaceutical contract manufacturers in the country. In the late 1870s, a chemist by the name of Don Primo Hizon founded Farmacia Hizon. The small venture was burned during the war. In 1898, Don Primo built a pharmaceutical laboratory. In 1937, Don Primo was succeeded by his son Rafael Hizon Sr. Under his leadership, and with the assistance of his wife Luz, a chemist just like him, the company introduced newer, more modern products. Even during World War II, Hizon Laboratory continued operations. It manufactured pharmaceuticals, often using raw materials that were difficult to obtain. It has gone to the extent of using dried fish tablets for calcium and dye for tuberculosis. When the company's plant in Quiapo was destroyed during the liberation of Manila in 1945, operations were moved to a new site in Santa Cruz District, also in Manila. Two years later, Laboratory Hizon transferred to its new plant in Quezon City. This would be its home for the next 4 decades. The company continued to prosper in the 1950s. To supply the increasing demand for medicines in the local market, the company imported additional quality control equipment and machineries. Production in injectables, tablets, and liquids flourished. In 1962, a family corporation, Rafael Hizon and Sons Incorporated, was formed to oversee the family's various businesses, including Hizon Laboratory. The company continued to upgrade its machineries for production, research, and quality control. In 1975, Hizon Laboratory became Hizon Laboratories Incorporated, with Rafael Hizon Sr. as president. A decade later, Rafael Hizon Jr. succeeded his father to become the new president of Hizon Laboratories. In 1991, the company transferred its production facilities to its present location, a sprawling 1.8-hectare site in Antipolo, Rizal. An injectable manufacturing facility was added in 1994. Today, Hizon Laboratories is one of the Philippines' leading manufacturers of branded, generic, and consumer pharmaceutical products. It produces injectable medicine, oral liquids, tablets, capsules, dry powders, creams, and ointments. Over the decades, the company's leadership has been driven by a strong sense of mission in saving lives and improving the quality of life. Closely linked with this is the company's vision to broaden the spectrum of quality medicines and services that it can offer at affordable prices while enhancing their purity, safety, and efficacy. To hone the skills of its employees to achieve its goal of excellence. To continue being a pioneer and a leader in the pharmaceutical industry. To achieve this, The company has made total quality systems one of the cornerstones of its business. The Quality Assurance Department ensures that the entire manufacturing process complies with internationally accepted norms of CGMP or Current Good Manufacturing Practices. Every aspect of the production cycle is carefully monitored, from raw materials to the manufacturing process itself, to storage, to distribution in the marketplace. Stability testing is also done on each product to ensure that it meets specifications for recommended shelf life. The total quality system is not only limited to specific units, but is a way of life for the entire workforce, from top management to the rank and file. It permeates every aspect of the business, from strategic planning, training, customer relations, products and services design, to the suppliers, data integrity and systems assessment. Quality assurance also plays a vital role in material management. The company's material management group, working in synergy with the quality assurance and quality control groups, ensures that material quality standards are strictly complied with from start to end of the production process. Product research and development also plays a major role at Hizon Laboratories. Different departments have formulated innovations that have upped the quality standards and productivity of the company. Regular training is also provided for all levels of personnel so that they may acquaint themselves with the company's standards and policies, and to help ensure compliance with good manufacturing practices or GMP. In addition to its commitment to quality, the company's state-of-the-art facilities help give it a competitive edge. The entire manufacturing system, from material management, dispensing manufacturing, storage to delivery, is controlled by an extensive computer network. This ensures product safety, purity, and efficacy. It guarantees zero manufacturing error and allows for just-in-time production and delivery, key components towards achieving total customer satisfaction. The various equipment feature technological innovations and are specially designed for precision pharmaceutical applications, all enhancing compliance to CGMP standards where continuous validations and calibrations is a must. The plant is capable of producing 2 billion tablets annually in different sizes and 150 million capsules yearly. These tablets and capsules in various therapeutic indications can be manufactured and packed in either bottles, aluminum strips, or blister packs. The manufacturing process for liquids, tablets, and capsules employ adequate clean air filtration, air conditioning, and dust containment systems to ensure a contaminant-free environment. The plant also produces parenteral liquids medication that is compounded and filtered through membrane microfilters and filled into glass ampoules, vials, and carpules under aseptic conditions. The facility can manufacture 12 million parenteral liquids in glass ampoules yearly and 50 million units of parenterals in glass vials. Only the purest raw materials in Type 1 glass containers are utilized. The facility is also capable of producing 80 million bottles of oral liquids annually of different sizes and in pilfer-proof seals. All processes related to the production of oral liquids are also done with adequate air handling facilities. Hizon Laboratories has survived 2 world wars and over a century of challenges and crises to become one of the brightest lights in the Philippine pharmaceutical industry. With employees who take pride in belonging to an organization, that has pledged to provide Filipinos with pure, safe, and effective medicines. And now, the company has begun to set its sights overseas by tapping the global market. Hizon Laboratories Incorporated, a company with a rich tradition and a technological edge. An organization committed to excellent quality